Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. JSONwebtokens, JWT, are a popular way to handle authentication in modern applications, including Android apps. This tutorial will guide you through the process of implementing JWT authentication in an Android application. We'll cover 1. Setting up a simple backend for JWT authentication. 2. Creating an Android app that interacts with this backend. 3. Handling JWT tokens for user authentication. Part 1, Setting up the backend. For the backend, we'll use node.js with Express and the jsonwebtoken package. Here's how to set it up. Step 1, create a node.js project. 1. Ensure you have node.js and npm installed. 2. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. 3. Initialize a new node.js project. 4. Install the necessary packages. Step 2, create the server. Create an index.js file in the root of your project directory and add the following code. Step 3, run the server. Start the server by running. Your backend is now ready to accept user registrations and logins, and it has a protected root that requires a valid JWT token. Part 2, creating the Android app. Now, let's create an Android application that lets users register, log in, and access protected resources. Step 1, create a new Android project. 1. Open Android Studio and create a new project with an empty activity. Name it JWT Auth Example. Step 2, add dependencies. Add the following dependencies in your build.gradle, module, app, file. Sync the project to download the dependencies. Step 3, create the API client. Create a new Java class called API-client.java. Step 4, implement registration and login logic. Fill in the methods in API-client.java. Step 5, create the main activity. In your main activity.java, you can set up a simple UI for registration and login. Step 6, update the layout. In your activity_main.xml, add the following UI components. Conclusion. This tutorial provided a basic implementation of JWT authentication in an Android application with a node.js backend. You can enhance this example by adding features like user input validation, error handling, storing JWT tokens securely in shared preferences, implementing logout functionality. Make sure to change the secret _ key and handle user passwords securely in a real application. Always use HTTPS in production to secure your API.